Welcome everyone! Today I'll show you how to make this delicious and flavorful plant-based Parmesan cheese. It's a wonderful addition to salads, perfect for sprinkling over soups, and absolutely divine with tomato-based sauces. You'll love how versatile and easy it is to make. The ingredients are simple and wholesome. I used 1 cup of raw unsalted cashews, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt. You can start with 1/4 of a teaspoon if you prefer less, and finally 1/4 of a teaspoon of mustard powder. Making this is incredibly easy. You'll just need to blend all these. First, add the cashews to your blender or food processor. These provide the creamy and rich base that gives our Parmesan its signature texture, light and crumbly, just like the real thing. Next, we add nutritional yeast, the star of this recipe. It delivers a cheesy flavor and also has a magical melting effect when sprinkled on warm soups and sauces, creating a creamy texture that makes dishes even more comforting. Garlic powder goes in next, bringing a savory, slightly pungent depth to enhance the Parmesan's flavor. Follow that with onion powder, which complements the garlic with a sweet, umami-rich note, rounding out the taste perfectly. Salt is essential for enhancing all these flavors and bringing out those cheesy, savory notes. If you're watching your sodium intake, start with a little less and adjust to your taste. Finally, we have mustard powder. This adds a tangy, slightly sharp kick that mimics the tanginess of aged cheese. If you don't have mustard powder in your pantry, don't worry, the recipe will be just as delicious without it. Now let's blend. Use the pulse function to avoid overblending. You are looking for a crumbly, powdery texture. Too much blending and you might end up with cashew butter. And there you have it. Plant-based Parmesan is done. Simply transfer it to an airtight container and it's ready to sprinkle over your favorite dishes. Whenever you have that super healthy and nutritious dish that could use a little extra flavor, remember this plant-based Parmesan. It's the perfect way to transform any meal into a yummy treat while staying wholesome. That's all for today. Bon appetit and enjoy your delicious creation!